nice. Gizmo. I moved the kitty out to the edge and he's just like...
You put your hand behind it and like whack it at him.
No.
Did you get that on video?
I think so. I'm afraid to stop recording because I'm...
You don't want to take a bath? Do you want to take a bath? I'm gonna give you a bath. You gotta take a bath, you stink. You stink? So you don't stink? Why don't you stink? Can you tell me why you don't stink? Why don't you stink? So you don't want to tell me why you don't stink? Let me give you a bath. Do you want a bath? Why don't you want a bath? You'll be all squeaky clean. Take a bath. I'll let you scrub a dub yourself. You don't want to take a bath?